Well, in order to encourage physical distancing so we don't have massive crowds of people at any one time, move-in, instead of a 1 or 2 day exercise, is now stretched over 12 days. And we're limiting the number of students who can live into any given hall at any given time. So at absolute max, 9 students per hour will move into any hall.
There we go. The crowd size is definitely way smaller. It feels safe. I feel like everybody's been social distancing. There's way less people. It's not crowded at all, actually. There's us and then 5 other people inside.
I'll bring a couple of carts over to you. Okay. Thank you.
I thought even though it was crowded last year, the process was run very smooth. It was excellent. This year's nice because it's not as busy, and it's also been smooth.
We have people who are sanitizing the carts after every use and lining them up for the next group of people. We have building protocols for sanitation and cleanliness on the inside. So a great amount of attention has been given to those health and safety efforts.
Yeah, it's been great. I mean, right when we got our carts, they told us that they've been sanitized, so they're making sure that we know that they're taking this very seriously, as they should.
She's ready to be back. It's time for them to come back. They need to be back. I think with the correct precautions, we still need to go about our daily lives. We just need to be more careful.
The best place to look for all of this is a website, safeandhealthy, all one word, .osu.edu. It is a compendium of every aspect of the university and everything people could want to know, including reams of frequently asked questions and answers, all of that in one place, one stop, that they can get what they need to know.